So a lot of people like to use drills. I like to kind of feel the wood so you don't strip them out. I don't particularly like using drills on guitars. I think it's dangerous because you can scratch the finish super easy. Kind of excited to see what I have in here, if these pickups or any of the electronics are worth even saving. I do have a pick guard with Mighty Mite pickups in it with a double humbucker in the back, bridge pickup, which is kind of my go-to guitar for years when everything else sounded like shit.